Hi guys, today I'll show you how to earn free PayPal money and gift cards just by using app called Refferal points. Let's start the video. First of all, open App Store, then search app called Refferal points. I don't want to download, so we can also visit its website refferalpoints.com. After you open the website, then you should register the Refferal points account, so you also can use your Gmail for registration and verification. For now I am using random email to show you how to register because I have already registered. Now enter the email and verify the given captcha. Now create the password as your wish and give your first name and last name. Now you'll see this interface, so nothing to do, just click on agree and continue. Now it will ask for referral code. You can use referral code as I have given in the description of video, and you can earn extra free 50 points. Now enter your information like postal code, birth date, month and day, and gender. For now I am selecting randomly, but you can choose real ones. Just continue. Now here you can play games like Lucky Scratch, also can complete survey and earn thousands of points, and you can also redeem gift cards and other stuffs. So it's pretty much for this video. Hope you like it. Thanks you guys.
再见。